Hindi sila happy sa work. Do you have the same problem? Mami N, bakit ang bilis mag-resign ng employees ko? Parang hindi sila nagtatagal kahit okay naman ang pasweldo ko. Paano ko sila mapapatagal dito sa business ko? Alam mo anak, Linda struggled with this same problem for years. May isang cook siya noon na sobrang galing. After 2 months, nag-resign. Nisip niya, ano bang ginawa kong mali? O nga naman, it was frustrating kasi ang hirap humanap ng replacement, diba? Tapos magte-training na naman from scratch. Alam mo anak, hindi naman kasi palaging about the salary lang yan. Based sa experience ko, 3 bagay ang hinahanap ng employees bukod sa sweldo. You see, employees stay longer when they see growth opportunities, feel recognized, and experience open communication. Teaching new skills, celebrating achievements, and holding regular check-ins can make a big difference. The lesson is this: employees stay where they are valued, not just paid. So think of them as partners in your business journey. Hindi lang trabahador. Try mo mag-exit interview kapag may nag-resign. Tanungin mo honestly, bakit ka umalis? Minsan, mas madali nilang sabihin ang totoo kapag paalis na sila. And don't forget to invest in proper onboarding. Dapat sa first week pa lang, nafe-feel na nila na part sila ng team. Hindi lang dagdag na tao. Kaya huwag mag-alala kung nahihirapan ka ngayon. Remember, building a loyal team takes time, but it's worth the effort. So, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.